how to set Envision Monitor Low Blue mode. And okay guys, here in your Envision Monitor, on the back of this, you can see here the joystick. And okay, to show the settings, so push to the right the joystick, and you can see here the settings. Okay, now you can go to color setup. You can push down the joystick and go to color setup. Here in color setup, push the joystick to the right and push down and go to low blue mode. And the low blue mode is off. To set this, okay, you can push the joystick to the right and you can see the option. And okay, you can set into off, weak, medium, or strong. So you can push down the joystick to select. And okay, for my example, I choose the medium. To set this medium into low blue mode, push the joystick to the right to select the medium. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set Envision Monitor Low Blue mode. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.